Welcome back to Razwats RC, and today we're reviewing the HSP line. This comes out of the box ready to run at about 283 Australian dollars, which is about 215 US dollars. And it comes in blue or it comes in white.
This is a brushless, four-wheel drive 1/10 scale RC car. It runs for up to 20 minutes, which is good. It also goes forward at a nice 60 km per hour.
Let's go ahead and give it a test run. So I've given this epic beast a few test runs and it's really awesome. It's a massive, powerful vehicle. As you can see, it got pretty muddy. I was giving it a pretty hard shot out there and it was really reliable. And so if you want to get this vehicle, check down in the link in the description below and we'll leave that for you. Till next time.